Hello friends, good news, we updated our handguards. Now I'm holding AKS74U with an updated B11U handguard and we will return to it later. So, my name is Anastasia, this is B30U older modification, this is B30U newer modification. What was changed? The changes are in this part on the bottom closer to the receiver. They used to have an opening right here and now they have a mini basis rail. Why? We found out that this position is actually very comfortable to place a hand stopper on. So our hand stoppers are L1. They're designed for basis rail. So we created a mini basis rail for this hand stopper. Perfect position for RL1 hand stopper, but not only for it. You can install other accessories compatible with bases here, for example, grips with letter L, RK0L, RK1L, RK2L, RK4L, RK6L. They are compatible with basis rail. I also saw how people install sling mounts not on the side of the handguard, but on the bottom of it. And you can install sling mount here as well, for example, A2L sling mount and other accessories compatible with bases. What handguards were updated? B30U, B30, B10U, B10M, B21U, B21M, and for AKS74U, B11U and B11. You may ask, they used to have an opening here and now they have a basis rail. How it could affect the weight? And the weight actually even lowered a little bit. Let's check. B30U older one, 194 grams. B30U newer one with the basis rail, 192 grams, 2 grams lighter. From theory to practice, going back to this AKS74U, or as some of you may say, Krink, you know that no one in Russia says like this. We say AKS74U, we say AKSU, we say Ksyuha, that's a form of the name Ksenia. There are also some other terms that I won't pronounce out loud because they are not polite. But anyway, I hear that Krink term only from Americans. We don't say like this. So on AKS74U, I have B11U handguard installed. It has bases on sides and Picatinny on the bottom. And also a small basis for RL1 hand stopper. And it is a perfect location for it. Very comfortable, as if it has always been there. Very, very good position. Another possible setup, for example, AK74 with B10M handguard installed. B10M has Picatinny on all sides and this small basis rail on the bottom with RK6L hand stopper. From the history of this product, RK6L, RK6, they were initially designed for 7.62. They have regular curvy magazines and if a grip was positioned here, it interfered. So we made this angled shape and it turned out to be comfy not only there but on other rifles as well. Good location. You can buy our products on our official website en.zenitco.ru or in partners stores. You can see the list of official partners on en.zenitco.ru in partners section. And we've never sold any licenses to anyone to make our products. Unfortunately, fakes exist. To protect yourself from fakes, buy from official partners. If you have any questions left, please write them in comment section, like the video if you liked it, follow our channel, and I will see you in next videos. Goodbye.